Everybody needs to like this video right now because if we hit 100,000 likes, I'll be giving one lucky subscriber a free pair of new AIRPOD Pros. So make sure you go like and subscribe. This is a saltwater crocodile. They can grow to over 20 feet long and weigh over 2 tons. This reptile closely resembles the crocodiles that used to live in the dinosaur ages. If you ever see one, do not go near it. This crocodile is having fun in the mud and using the mud as a slip and slide. In countries like Australia, you have to be careful of where you fish because this might happen to you. Here is a baby crocodile versus a crab. As you can see, the crocodile is doing its deadly move of the barrel roll. This is a toad hunting for prey. When a toad is in distress, it makes this noise. I hope everybody's staying safe during these times. Hopefully, these videos will help you pass your time in quarantine and help you stay in a positive mood.